Miles, Missouri. Driver the performance press.
All right, guys, I'm going to do a voiceover here. So we're going into turn 1. We've got the right rear trying to get up into the fluff. There's a little bit of moisture up there. Getting some dig off the corner. Trying to get as much speed as I can out of the corner to run down this mile-long straightaway. So we're going into turn 3 here. I've got the car rotated. Trying to keep it as straight as possible. Back up to the moisture as quick as I can. Now I've got my foot back to the gas, full throttle. And I've got it pointed coming down a straightaway. I know I've got one more lap to go. My spotter's in my ear telling me what time I ran. I know I'm P6 right now. So turn back in. I wanted to be a little bit higher right there, but luckily I got the car straightened up enough coming off the corner here, which I think might have killed my lap. Again, we're running down this 1 mile long, or this long straightaway. It's a 1 mile track. Going into turn 3, here's a little bit of a hump. You got to set the car. You've got to turn. I needed to be a little bit higher on entry there to carry more corner speed. Now I've got the moisture, back to the fuel, full throttle, pointed straight down the straightaway here. Actually didn't go as good as the first lap. So there's 2 laps around the Duquoin Speedway.
New 31.175, line number 1, 31.103. His best attempt, 6 quick so far for Kyle.